In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your work in Canva. If you're new to Canva, one of the most helpful things to know is that saving your design is very simple. In fact, most of the time, you do not need to manually save anything at all. Canva is designed to automatically save your progress while you work, which makes the editing process much smoother and helps reduce the chances of losing your changes. To get started, open an existing design in Canva, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once your design is open, go ahead and make any edits you need. For example, you might add text, insert images, move elements around, or adjust the overall layout. You can work on your design as you normally would, and while you're editing, Canva will save those updates in the background automatically. This is important because many people look for a traditional save button and assume they need to click something before leaving the page. In Canva, that usually isn't necessary. As you continue making changes, the platform keeps track of your progress for you. That means you can stay focused on designing instead of stopping to save every few minutes. To make sure everything has been saved, look at the top of the editor. You should see a message that says, "All changes saved." This is your confirmation that Canva has finished saving your latest edits. If you've just made a change, give it a brief moment and then check for that message. It's a good habit to glance at it before closing the design, especially if you've made important updates. Once you see that your changes have been saved, you can close the design with confidence. When you come back later, your latest version should still be there, exactly as you left it. This is especially useful if you're working on a project over multiple sessions or need to pause and continue another time. A simple tip is to always wait for the saved confirmation before exiting, just to avoid closing the page while Canva is still updating your file. Other than that, the process is very straightforward. Open your design, make your edits, check for the All Changes Saved message, and then leave whenever you're ready. And that's all there is to it. Saving in Canva is mostly automatic, which makes creating and editing designs much easier and more convenient.